Welcome to this module. In this module, we are going to do a brief introduction. We are going to introduce you to some of our signature projects. Here comes one of our signature projects. This is an industrial solar installation. This is the equipment room. The components are mounted on the wall. Here comes another installation, a commercial solar installation inside the equipment room also. You have here your Fronius inverters. This we have 3 units here. We have your critical inverter here, the Phoenix inverter. It is rated 5 kVA. We have the Quattro inverters here. They are mounted on the wall. Each is rated 10 kVA. We have the charge controller here. We have the AC box here. We have the DC box. You can see how we run the cables. You can see how we run the cables here. This is your battery monitor. These are your communication devices. Your PHCN box. The system is fully automated. You can see your solar battery here. There are 24 in number. Each of the solar battery here is rated 2 volts, 1000 ampere with 4 terminals each. Equally, you can see from this other installation, your Fronius inverter here, your critical inverter here. You can see how we run our cables here. You can see your AC box, your DC box, your charge controller, your communication devices are here, and your PHCN box is here. I've already said that the system is fully automated. You don't need anybody's intervention to start the generator or to off the generator. We have 3 phases here: the red, the yellow, and the blue phase. All of them comes up automatically during the daytime, and they switch off automatically at night. So without anybody's intervention, it's fully automated. The critical inverter runs for 24 hours. It is the inverter that takes care of the critical loads inside of the facility. This is a residential installation that we are having here. The inverter here is 5 kVA with 4 solar battery. Diagrammatically, this is your solar panels. Depending on the materials available on site, you can arrange your solar panels in string and in arrays. So that is one of the things you get to learn when you join our training. This is a 4x3 configuration. It is the solar panel that give the needed DC to charge your solar battery that you are having here. You can see your solar charge controller. It is what regulates the charging of your solar battery that you are having here. so that your solar battery will not be overcharged or over discharged or undercharged, and it protects the solar battery so that it gives you a longer duration of usage if it is properly sized. You can see your inverter here. It is what converts the stored DC inside of the solar battery here so that the energy can be converted to AC to power these electrical appliances. This is equally a 5 kVA system. Then you can look at the solar panel. This is what we are going to deliberate. We are going to dissect the solar panel so that you get to understand. You don't ask anybody any question again on the best solar battery to get for yourself during any solar installation or project you want to embark upon. But the information you get in this platform, even though you have 1,000 solar panels, you will know how to configure them to give you the needed power, the output that you will use, that you send to your charge controller or your solar inverter. Then from there, you get to understand how to size other solar components, your solar inverter, your solar battery, and your solar charge controller. You equally learn still in this platform how to size your cables, how to size your breakers. So we are loaded. The information you get here will give you an edge in the solar industry. Happy listening.